Yes, sir. What it do? What it do? What it do, YouTube? It's your boy, Big Homie Scooter, the shooter, and I'm back with another one, man. What's going on, YouTube? Big Homie Squad. So, yeah, we're at the range, and of course, yeah, we at no man's land with it today. Ooh, wide open. We gotta cut the grass. As y'all can see, grass is kind of just a little high. We gotta get it back out here with the 0 turns. But yeah, man, finna get a little work in. Well, we was gonna get some work in, but unfortunately we got stands and we got wooden sticks, but we ain't got no cardboard. All we got is 3 pieces of steel. So yeah, guess we gonna be going at it, doing some little competition, going back and forth with each other, man. But yeah, let me BamaBoyz with it today. Yes, sir. So how we gonna do it? Y'all have been asking about the black Bob-Lee. There you go.
Take that bitch out. I was like, oh, yeah,
You already know it. Pow, pow, pow. We back at it. Let's get it.
Cactus Jack. Mr. Pew Body.
Yup.
Mr. C.A. Patty.
Yup.
Where you hosted? See you.
I'm happy to be back at home. Happy to be back, baby. No man land. I miss you. And I know you miss me too. Yes, sir.
It's been a minute. Nice little minute. Ooh, it had fire too. Yeah, it's been a nice little minute though. But man, y'all stay tuned, man. Make sure y'all hit that sub button, that like button, leave your boy a comment, man. I'm gonna get back with y'all in just a minute, man. Y'all stay tuned. For sure. Reps, man. Keep telling y'all reps. That's how you get better. Hey, man. Say what's up to YouTube, man. They've been asking about you, man.
You already know it. Boy, I've been busy with basketball, a coach at that. So, you know, I'm back on the range, though. Let's get it. No,
yes,
come on.
sir. Come on, man. Grab this real quick for me. You gonna have to lead it. But, yeah, man. Y'all know I ain't gonna come to the range without getting some reps in. We ain't got no cardboard, like I said before. All we got is 3 steels, 3 pieces of steel out here. So, hey, we gonna make it do what it do today, goddamn. Hopefully next week we come out here, we'll have cardboard target set up everywhere. So, man, y'all hold tight. Huh.
There's no but a body though. Body like 7 below in a mount.
What are we doing?
Ready? Hold on, I'm coming.
Since you got the time.
Should have read?
Yeah. I might be ready for it, bro. Shit. You gotta get a little closer. What they was 6 what?
659.
659. Alright, come on with it. Throw that back. Come on.
Should have read?
Did I hit that middle one, I ain't hit.
Man, you waste a lot of goddamn time on the goddamn missing.
Huh?
You waste a lot of time on the goddamn missing you doing.
Man. Ready? Man, you ain't got to goddamn keep doing that, goddamn.
Yeah, that shit terrible.
Ready?
Shooter ready?
Check that time again.
Shooter ready? 6, 7, 8. Shooter ready? Six, 2, 7. Let's go one more time. Shooter ready?
Yeah, come on.
606 though.
And I missed one. God damn it.
That ain't that bad. Hold up.
God damn it.
You want shoot the BMT?
Ain't that some shit?
Why you call it that too?
I be fucking with him.
Ain't that? Who the hell hog it? Hog coming.
You got what's name? You got
Where y'all stay at? Sure. So, well, we at no man's land with it, right? We brought them things out today, so of course, I got that on me. But I also brought this right here. That 509 Tactical with that Apex trigger. The CSG Mark 9K on that motherfucker right there. That backup motherfucker.
Well, y'all want to come up and make sure I get you
Cutting day.
settled. So you
Make
go up,
catch
so
the
by
jet.
the time I come back down, it should be
New Frontier.
in case you fumble with it, you should be able to
MMP.
take
Alright, you
a
see
little
that
time to find that
Swiss
first thread.
Remember that day?
BNT Macro Lee. Oh yeah. Sig boys.
Yeah.
509
I was
Tactical.
just saying, you remember that day? I remember.
Sig Legion. He the only eyeball that got a Glock on his hip. And of course Bob Lee got a Sig Legion also. Sig boys. Yes sir, this how we get down there range day to day, man. Y'all know who it is, y'all know what's going on, and I ain't gonna say it no more, man.
Today be the day.
Y'all stay tuned. Yes sir. So FN 509 Tactical with the CG. Let me say this right. Let me say this right. CGS Mod 9K. Yeah. FN 509 Tactical, Apex trigger, Holliston 507C, and a Parker Mountain Machine mag well. 147 grain sub science. Yes sir. Few to the steel, few to the dirt, what to the burn. Yeah. Boy, that's quiet. When I say quiet, this thing quiet. You ain't gonna hear me coming. For sure. Man, let me quit, man. Nah, but for real though. This right here though. Yes, sir. The perks of having a partner with suppressors. Hey. And hey. Oh, look at him.
Jumped out KP9, Unitorizer, EOTech, D-Ball Styler, Ruger. Not Ruger, I meant Rugged. Arsenio 9, Mars Night. You still rockin' tail hook. Damn, that shit. TS Texas straps on the slings I'm rocking. Let's get it. Hey, look at my bio too for a discount. 15% off. Let's get it.
Told y'all I was gonna bring y'all that.
I don't know if I rock no more from that. Probably don't need none though. Shit, just like a K. Just like a K. Just 9mm for him. And we out. Yeah, I like her too. Like her too.
Ooh. Step on over, Ryan. Come on with that B&T real quick, man.
The emissary set it off.
Oh, wait. Oh, no. Here go Mr. Pew, buddy. Come on with it. What you got right there in your hand, my boy?
Ruger Mark IV. Silencer Shop Edition. See the mod light, Holo Sun. Out here playing with the gang in no man's land. AAC suppressor.
You need about one. I don't want to brand. I give you about one. Dang, hold up. Where your phone at, Brent?
Oh shit, I forget. Scooter got me on. Go
Yeah,
ahead.
fuck it. I'm recording anyway, bro. Yeah, you got plenty more rounds. Don't worry about it. You got plenty more rounds. Don't worry about it.
Oh, it's your phone.
That's your phone, bro?
No,
That
it's
big
not.
ass case?
That's mine, fool.
That ain't mine. No, it ain't mine.
Just shoot the bitch. Just shoot it.
I gave it to you.
Fuck out, just shoot the motherfucker, bro. Yeah. He got.
bro.
I mean, I'll redo it.
No, what you got? Come on, what you gonna do?
Man, he gonna have to.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I gotta
just shoot
redo it
that
anyway.
motherfucker. I want it. Yeah, that motherfucker quiet. That motherfucker don't make no noise whatsoever. That motherfucker don't make no noise whatsoever. Sheesh. But y'all stay tuned. So, I got something going on and I got something in the making. So, it's this gun, favorite gun in the world. Ugh. Whew. Hugsworth. It's a Hugsworth suppressor on it. Mod light, loophole, unity riser. Hey, when I say this, listen. This here piece of art right here, boy. So, what I need you to do, I'm gonna send this video straight to the woman at this company.
How you want me to record?
Yeah.
Go ahead.
No. I'm saying when you record, I want you to record a 5 video. I'm gonna send it straight to her email. Like this the type of gun you want to shoot.
Yeah.
Bet I got you one right here. So
Let me get him started.
I want you to start right here so they know what it is.
Ready? Turn those up. Let me see what's up. It said Vertis somewhere. Vertis.
So
Look, see MCS right there.
Right now, it's been abnormally hot, but normally.
Look, we'll start with her. She know what it is though. She see it. She know gun here. She know.
nah, so look, I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna go here.
All right, we'll just. Let me come from this way first. Let me come like hold like this, and then I'm gonna come from. Let me come from here. God damn. Let me come from here, and then I'm gonna hear you open up. You ready?
Burnt that ass.
Just hit me. You ready?
Mm-hmm. And that's that Sig Vertis, aka the M13 from Call of Duty. Ooh, my favorite fucking gun, bro. One of my favorites. Absolute one of my favorites. Boy, y'all stay tuned. Yeah, sir. And just like that, man, we're finna wrap it up. Oh, he brought that out today too. That's that binary thing. Call it the bacon cooker. We cooked a piece of bacon on it. Everybody ran 30 rounds, then he finished it off with the 100-round drum, then we cooked a piece of bacon on it. Yes, sir, indeed, we did do that. But and then of course, yes, sir. Y'all see how we be getting down, man. Courtesy of the Black Bob Lee swagger. That boy bring them toys out, man. When we come to play, man. We bring in Novas. Y'all got to know what's going on, man. But yes, in the meantime, in between time, bro, y'all know who it is and what's going on. Yes, sir. BamaBoyz, man. Look at Mr. Sig Matter with the BNT. With this CSG Mar 9K on this thing. Come on, man. Mr. Sig Matter right there.
We've been famous then,
Got Mr. Cactus Jack. Yes, sir. Mr. Peabody. Yes, sir. Man. It's been one hell of a day. But of course, hey man, hold on. What you got right there in your hand, man?
Mark 4.
That Ruger Mark 4 with that 509C on it with that mod light on it. Salsa shop, man. Listen, man. Shout out to Salsa Shop. But in the meantime, in between time, man, y'all know who it is. Y'all know what's going on. Y'all know what's going on, and y'all know who it is, man. It's your boy, Big Homie Scooter, the shooter.